so it's me. What I'm gonna try right now is this teeth whitening kit that I got off the TikTok shop. When you open it up, it's a cute little container. Oh, okay, they're real bad, real bad. Let me make a statement. When I was little, I had acid reflux, which is acid, as you can tell by the name, and it took all the enamel off of my teeth. So I've always just had naturally yellow teeth, which sucks. I'm trying to get it figured out, but anyways, hopefully this thing helps. All right, I just used the purple High Smile serum. I can do a video review on that if you want. I was meaning to, but I ended up never doing it. Guys, you see those spots? Like the rest of my teeth, they get really white with that. It actually really works well. But then I have these really bad spots. I guess I just pull out this, like, pull out this thing to make it work. This onto this. You just put the product on the brush and then you brush it on your teeth.
Where's the Ouija board at? Where's the Ouija?
No.
Huh?
No, I'm doing something.
Well, when you get done doing that, we can Ouija.
We are not playing the Ouija board. I do not play that.
It's up in the attic, then.
No.
Getting more spirits together?
No. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna paint that on my teeth. Ew, it smells like nail polish. It better work. Work! Oh.
Never, been in a place.
Hey guys, so I'm back. Do they look any different? I really don't want to do a close-up, but I think that it definitely did white them a lot more. Plus, using that High Smile cream for the first layer and then doing this definitely does make them super white. Like, comment, and let me know what you guys think about this product. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I know you got all dressed up for the club, waiting on it, come